U.S. Supreme Court ruling colleges and universities must stop considering race in their admissions process. The ruling has now put an end to affirmative action in higher education. WENY Washington correspondent Rachel Knapp joins us live from outside the Supreme Court this evening. Rachel, what has the reaction been to this decision today?
Good evening, Renata. So from congressional members to the president, educational group, there's been a mixed reaction to the court's ruling. But overall, this ruling could change the landscape of college admissions.
And I strongly disagree with the court's decision.
President Biden slams the Supreme Court's decision on affirmative action.
I believe our colleges are stronger when they're racially diverse. Our nation is stronger because we are tapping into the full range of talent in this nation.
Chief Justice John Roberts, who wrote the court's 6-3 majority opinion, says the University of North Carolina and Harvard's race-conscious admissions programs violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. Lawsuits against these schools allege the policies they used discriminated against white and Asian American applicants. Writing for the dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor writes in part, "Today, the court stands in the way and rolls back decades of precedent and momentous progress." Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, also writing a dissent, writes in part, "With let them eat cake obliviousness, today, the majority pulls the ripcord and announces colorblindness for all by legal fiat, but deeming race irrelevant in law does not make it so in life." Congressional members also speaking out. Republican Representative Nick Langworthy tweeted in part, "The court's decision affirms the core American value that no one should be discriminated against based on race." Democratic Senator Kirsten Gillibrand says in part, "This misguided ruling will deeply harm efforts to increase diversity in our schools and create a more equal society. Going forward, students of color will face greater obstacles in pursuing higher education and the opportunities that come with it." Renata, the president is now calling on universities when they are considering qualified applicants to take into things like adversities as part of the application process, things like students' financial means, where they grew up, personal experiences of hardships, or even discrimination. Renata, back to you.